one's coming, so. I'm doing 40. Let me know what you need.
No worries. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
Having us go an interesting way.
Just call out any high lines.
Yeah.
I think I know the ones where they're at.
Yeah. It's just having us go an interesting way. Like, rather than just coming the way we went, you know?
Yeah. I suppose you could force it to go that way if you wanted to.
I might. At least it's predictable.
Mm.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Okay.
How about you?
Good. Yeah, I'm probably gonna force it to go that way that I want it to go.
Okay.
I'll let you know. That is a cool looking barn house. I think that's their house, not just a barn.
Determined to find that one.
Are you? As determined as you were in the morning of the
hot air balloon
the hot air balloon festival.
Yeah. It's about in
that
the
poor
same.
car never seen it coming.
It's about in the similar determination
All right,
level.
coming up on a left turn. There you go. No one behind us. I need to go a little slower.
I got more. I don't know what the speed limit is, but
40.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay. I'm doing 40 now. All right. It fixed itself now how we're going, so we're good.
Okay.
I see what we're doing now. So we will come up on those high power lines.
No worries.
So I'll let you know when. My high school boyfriend's dad lived in that trailer park. Don't laugh. People live in trailer parks.
No, it's not that. It was just, it wasn't that. It was just, knowing other parts of the story, it doesn't surprise me. That's all I was trying to say.
I feel like you're judging my choice of men in my past.
I can't keep up with you. Need you to go to 35.
Gotcha. Got no one behind us, so we're good.
I'm facing pockets of a headwind.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm up with you. Wilson's like, wait for me.
I'm gonna have people coming up behind me.
I can keep up there a little bit quicker. If it's 40, I can probably do about 38 or so.
I'll go 36. Alright, coming up on the power lines. Got him.
Got him.
That's a pretty too. Still got him.
Got him.
Here comes the rain again. Please don't litter. They spelled litter wrong.
Nice.
Makes me feel like, please don't become Canadian and go to leaders. Sorry. I'm sorry. Their message isn't in good taste, but please don't litter.
If you need to go a little faster, you can.
Almost to the left turn anyway. I should have done one with the speed limit. That's right.
I think it's 35.
Yeah. Welcome to the country. Everyone goes how fast they ever want.
Oh, yeah. Rules are made up.
Yep. It's like Mad Max. There are no rules.
No, 100%.
2 cars enter, 1 car leave. There we go. Whoa, okay. Sorry. There's no reason to stop way back there.
Nope.
I will do it.
Wow, this car's really sucked today on intersections. Like, really sucked.
It's had some issues. Some stuff it's done well, but that was...
Like, it's had some... Like, once you get on a straight road, it does really well. Once it does anything complex.
No, it's done some good things. Like, it's had some good turns and some good stops and things like that, but there's, like, been a couple of intersections. Like, when we were first leaving Canyon Lakes, it did really well in all those intersections and turns.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm going to stick up for a little bit. I would say it's a 70% drive. Not the worst, not the best.
We've had better. That's what I would say.
I would say it would pass a driver's test.
Seriously?
I've been with teenage drivers.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Oh, we're turning here. Okay. Make sure you're up high because there's high power.
I see.
Oh, I see which way we're going. Okay. We're gonna make a right, which means you'll have to go up over these high ones, just so you know.
I see.
I wasn't as prepared for that left. Sorry, I'm so used to going straight and going up Cascade Hill. Alright, let's get over. There you go. We're not the only car on the road.
Like I said, it's not doing very well today.
It's a tight road.
It's not impressing me.
But I have to be honest, I would still take this car over any other car.
Oh, I know,
Go
but
up,
I'm
up.
praying for
You
an
good?
like today. I'm praying for an update.
Yeah, you good?
I'm fine.
Oops. Say we go that way, but we're going this way. Right. What happens when a local driver crosses paths with FSD? Oh, okay. Hey, it didn't cut the corner. Good job. Trees, lots and lots of trees. It is interesting to me that, like, when you come to East Kennewick, suddenly you get a crap ton of power lines.
Mm-hmm. Well, because they're not underground.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I didn't know there was a small lake over there.
Yeah, it's like a water reservoir.
Yeah.
When I was growing up, this neighborhood used to be really nice, and we're actually kind of wealthy if you lived over here because you live next to the lake.
I could see that.
Uber Eats. Okay, you don't have to stop. Technically, there is no stop to you. Ooh.
God damn. God damn. Just goddamn. That's all I can say about that.
I think it thought that was eroded. To be fair, I kind of understand why it thought that.
Just goddamn.
I kind of understand why it thought that. So.
Well, thanks for keeping in with us, viewers. This has been a very challenging drive. As
We
you
do
can
have a
see,
vehicle
it's
behind us, so
it's been
we have to
shaky.
go.
It's been. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you're liking this stuff, maybe like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm just gonna turn into this neighborhood, okay?
Perfect.